In front of me is OPPO A74, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then enter personalizations, tap on allow, and click on wallpapers. And click on static wallpapers if you would like to pick one from static wallpapers. You can also go to photos if you do have some photos here, but I don't have any of them. And obviously, once you pick photos, you can apply any picture of yours on the wallpaper. However, I will go with static wallpapers, the system one, and here you've got all the options. You can mark some particular one and slide to see how the rest look like. And let me pick, for example, this one. Maybe that one, so the first choice of mine. Then tap on apply and select if you want it to cover your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And I will pick both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also lock screen. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.